This video will walk you through the Startup Wizard Quick Start Guide. Before you begin, ensure that you've completed the steps outlined in the previous segment, Hardware Quick Start Guide. You can access your modem or Wi-Fi. Your power hub is connected to a display, and both are powered on and visible. You have internet access available to create an email account for your power hub. When you first turn on the power hub, it will load up the Setup Wizard's language selection screen. Select a language and then select Next to continue. Then select Next. Next, enter a new password with a minimum of 6 characters. Now enter it again to confirm it. Make sure to write the password down somewhere safe. Next, enter an email address to receive alerts and facilitate password recovery. Then select Next. Next, confirm your language selection. Now select the correct video format for your region. Then select the appropriate resolution for your display. Next, select the appropriate time zone for your region. Next, select your preferred date format. Then select a 12 or 24-hour time format. Next, give your NVR a relevant name or leave it as is. The QR code and P2P ID are unique identifiers for your recorder. You can use them later when configuring the Swann Security app. Now, select Next. If you're connecting the Power Hub to your network via Ethernet, select Skip. If you're connecting the Power Hub via Wi-Fi, select Next. Then wait for a moment for the list to populate. If your network doesn't appear, tap Refresh. Then select your Wi-Fi access point. Now, select Next. Enter your Wi-Fi password and then select Apply. After successfully connecting, click OK to continue. And then select Next. To enable email alerts, ensure the email box is checked. Leave the Setup tab on Auto. In the Sender field, insert a sender name or leave the name displayed. In the Receiver field, the email address entered in Step 1 will be displayed. You can add 2 additional addresses to send alerts to. Now, select Test Email. If the test is successful, you'll see a notification. After receiving a successful test notification, select OK and then Next to continue. Now, tap Update Now to sync the date and time with the server. Now, select Next. If daylight savings time applies to your region, select Enable. Then select the amount of time increased by daylight savings time. Next, select the start and end times. Now select Finish, then click OK to exit the wizard. Congratulations! Your NVR is ready to record video upon motion detection, send email alerts, and is ready to connect to the Swann Security app. You're now ready to download the Swann Security app for your Android or iOS mobile device. Watch the segment Swann Security app for more information.